Quarantine Kitchen, live. Today, this is episode 12 of QC, Quarantine Cooking. And today we cook brownies.
Alright, and what's your name again?
Luke.
Oh, you're Luke, you're not Zach, right?
No, I'm the taller Zach.
You're the taller Zach, so you're Luke. Okay, and I'm Antoine, welcome back. So you said we're making what?
Brownies.
Brownies, alright, are you ready to make it?
Yes.
Okay, so today we have the butter that just melted in the oven. We preheated the oven to what? 350 degrees, 375.
This is Fahrenheit.
In Fahrenheit, alright. What about if it's Celsius?
Then it would be like...
It's about half on those high temperatures. So 350, what's half of 350?
That'd be 175.
Almost. 350 divided by 2 is...
Yeah, it's...
Yeah, you're right, 175. Okay, I give it to you. That's my math. I'm glad you're still going to school, because clearly I can't count anymore. Okay, so we have the melted butter.
Yes.
And first we're going to grease the pan for the brownies. So the best is to take the same butter that you're about to put in your recipe and you brush it in. Right? Brush it in. And then we're going to put flour in it. That's to grease it and flour it, and that's going to help preventing the brownies from sticking into the pan. Okay, so I just did that, okay. Alright, so go ahead, pour the flour. There we go. And then we have the butter here. So the way you do it, I just greased it, and you're going to tap your flour inside. Oops, I put some everywhere. That's the point of cooking, right? You put some everywhere, and then you lick your fingers. Alright, so you can pour, what do you do, Luke? You put the butter in?
You put the butter with the...
Okay, so...
So
first the butter, yeah.
Your butter, your sugar, and your melted chocolate.
Okay.
It has to be melted or else it won't work.
Right. So I have a
Make it
lot of extra.
radioactive.
All right. I have a lot of extra flour. I'm just going to tap it in the trash. Maybe next time I can use less flour, but we're going to let it dry. There we go. Perfect. Here, I gave you a little spatula. It's going to be a lot easier. Nothing like a rubber spatula. You can lick the spoon after one. Here. Right, so
Not now to not spread diseases.
Alright, so Luke, where did you get your hat?
In summary, I got it in the wrong country because, as you know, these are usually from Russia, but I got it in Madrid.
In Madrid, okay, on the Place de Mayor in Madrid?
Yes.
Alright, that's fun. Yeah, how do you call that hat?
Ryushanka. It means ear hat in Russian, because if I can untie the thing, I can like put the flaps over my ears and then I'll never be cold.
Perfect. Here, let me help you a little bit. The trick is you want to hold it with one hand and you use the inside. You go all the way around. Get all the good yummy chocolate. Tap it in. There we go. Okay, now you take your whisk and you whisk it. Gentle, gentle. It doesn't splatter everywhere. There we go. Alright, so you just want all your butter and your chocolate to be kind of worked up together. And then what do you put next? Almost.
Salt, flour, and baking powder.
Yeah, you forgot the eggs.
Oh, the eggs.
Right.
First, oh wait, sorry, my bad.
Okay, so
I did it out of order. The vanilla extract and the eggs, first you do it like this.
Good.
Like on your enemies, you open it up,
Put it in
and
here.
then you put it down, and now we're going to use the butter thing. Next enemy.
Okay, no shell in the mix, right? If not, you eat it.
Or, yeah. And, then
Extra
and
crunchy.
nobody wants some crunchy.
Alright. Okay, so you put a little bit of shell. Let me see if I can catch it. So,
Oh my god, the
okay,
shell.
I get it. So, trick to get the shell out, you take half your shell, remove your whisk so it's not in the way, and then you gently scoop it, and it's like a magnet. Somehow the big shell attracts the small one, and you get it right out. If not, you're chasing it. So,
And
your
then-
vanilla,
And then the vanilla.
gentle again so it doesn't splatter everywhere. Perfect. And now you whisk it gently.
Yes, you mix it like you're gonna mix the souls of your enemies.
Okay. Hey, how were the pizza that we made last night?
They were really good.
Which one was your favorite?
The one that you made.
Oh, what was on it?
It was the one with the Parmesan and the sausage.
Sausage and Parmesan. All right, that sounds pretty good. Right?
And
that
also
was good.
sour cream or creme fraiche.
Creme fraiche, we use
They're
creme fraiche.
basically the same thing.
Okay. Alright, so go ahead, mix a little bit faster. There we go. You really want to beat your egg into the whole thing. Perfect. Here. Like that. Okay. Alright, what's next?
Flour!
Alright, so put your flour gentle, because that's going to become thicker. With both hands so you don't drop the bowl. Perfect.
Because nobody wants some bullshit, you know.
Yeah, no glass shaving into the batter. That's just not good.
And also the baking soda.
Okay, not so fast. Is that your salt?
Yes.
How much is it supposed to be?
1/4 a teaspoon.
All right, so that was 1/4 of what? Baking soda?
Yes.
Does it look a lot more than your salt? Yeah, I think you maybe measured a little bit on
Well,
the
I
heavy
lost a little bit,
Hey,
and
you
I
know-
was like, oh, I gotta like.
Hey, look, what
scoop
do we say in French when we put too much salt?
Taste like snails.
No, we say someone is in love. When the chef has a heavy hand on the salt, we say that he's in love. All right, is Luke in love
No.
with pizza maybe? So put a little bit of salt. There we go, a little bit more. Oh, okay, that's pretty good. Go ahead, no more. I think if not, it's going to be super salty. Okay, so
You
you're
know
going to
you want-
mix, and it's going to become pretty thick, and that's how you want. And then we're going to use the same spatula and we're going to scrape it off. So always hold your bowl with your other hand when you mix. There we go. Hey, we should have gotten you an apron, so you don't dirty your shirt.
Well, this isn't actually my real shirt.
Oh, okay. It's just a shirt for show. Or when we do the video.
Yes, and also an apron,
Oh, apron and shirt at the same.
and also taste testing.
All right.
It's a mini spoon.
Okay, so go ahead. Scrape the sides really well. There we go. Give it a good whisk. All right, remember how I showed you? Here,
Yeah.
hold it. There we go. Mix, 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 mix,
I
mix.
wish I
mix.
had the speed. But
Where's the
sadly-
speed of a mixer? You wish
I
you
have
had
the
an electric
slowness-
arm?
No, but I got the slowness of a sad human turtle.
Oh yeah. Is that tiring to whisk like that?
Yes.
Oh, we just need to do it more often. Just to build your whisking muscles.
Well, then my brother would be jealous.
Oh yeah. We just need to make more brownies, right? Okay, alright, tap your whisk.
And
Perfect. Alright, so
destroy the bubbles.
tap it like that. Hit the side.
Yep.
Good. Okay, and put it here so you won't fall.
Pour.
Okay, you pour, and I'm going to scrape, okay? Good teamwork right there. It's not too heavy. You're holding it okay?
It's
A little heavy?
no, it's not heavy. It's like
Awkward to
hard.
hold?
No, it's hard because like you're like shaking it a little bit.
I see. Don't try it. Okay. And tilt it a little more. Perfect. Alright, that's going right in. All the yummy goodness goes in there.
Really small.
Mm-hmm.
I think they should have done it to whole portions.
That's a whole
The
portion.
whole half things.
Perfect.
You know,
Alright.
the half.
So what's next?
And we bake
We bake it? How long?
for 25 minutes.
Okay,
So,
so-
no, I need like
The peel? To put it in? Oh. So go ahead.
So
Put it at
first,
the entry.
and then
And then you push it about halfway through, okay? Don't go
Yes.
too far.
don't do it too close, or else
Okay.
instead of brownies, it'll be blackies because it'll be all burnt.
Yeah, all burnt. We don't want that.
Yes, because we still want to taste chocolate, not ash.
Okay, so that was our day 12. We're making chocolate brownies. We're cooking it for about 20-25 minutes.
And because we don't want to bore you for 25 minutes,
Yeah, we're going to say goodbye. So again, thank you for watching. We're going to be doing more videos that are not just about the sweets. We're going to do more videos about all the
boring
meals that you can
bread.
that you can make.
Like sad kale bread,
Oh yeah,
sad
or broccoli casserole, something like that.
broccoli bread.
Broccoli bread.
It's just
Yeah,
gonna be about
gluten-free broccoli bread. That's a good idea. Thank you.
That's
Luke.
terrible.
That's terrible. So again, thank you for watching. Any question you have, go to breadstoneovens.com. There's a search bar at the top. You can search any recipe that you want. I'm slowly uploading all the information, all the recipes, all the videos. If you're not, you can go to the contact page, send us an email. Again, we had some great questions yesterday, so feel free to contact us. Again, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. You say goodbye?
Bye!